Hello. Dunkin new s'mores items taste test / mukbang, dare I say. This, first of all, glorious. Wow, that looks stunning. A little bit of backstory, a little bit of lore. If you know me, you know that I love anything s'mores. I don't really love the summer, I don't love the heat, but I do love s'mores. I'm very excited about this. Starbucks did have a s'mores frappuccino that was life-changing, and they decided to discontinue it, and I've never had it again. So I'm excited about this, and we're gonna try it immediately. This is the s'mores cold brew. So it has marshmallow, cold foam, and a graham cracker topping. And I couldn't be more excited. Oh my okay. Here's the thing. That first sip was sacrilege. First sip was probably a carnal sin. That was so good. The problem with most cold brews with cold foam, Starbucks, Dunkin, anywhere, is that the cold brew itself, all the flavors at the bottom. I don't want to mix it because I want this cold foam. This is the nectar of the gods. So this first sip will be so good, and this sip will taste like battery acid in comparison, but if you put your straw in there, I'm assuming there's going to be some type of s'mores flavor or something, or vanilla. Okay, no, it's actually just rancid. I'm normally not mad at a Dunkin cold brew. Today I am. I will be eating the cold foam though. It doesn't even make any sense. Or do you think I was kidding? No, I'm gonna sit here and eat all this. I wish I had a spoon. It is like a little sticky, almost like marshmallow. Let me coat it in some graham cracker. Oh my god. They should have put like a milk chocolate flavor in the cold brew. But what do I know? Maybe they did, but it sure doesn't taste like it. Wow. Oh my god. This is so good. Yeah, I don't know why the coffee tastes like that. Or the cold brew. That cold foam is a 10 out of 10. Like, not a single doubt about it. The cold brew is a 1, if not a 0. So it's hard to give the drink overall a fair rating. Might have caught them on a bad day, but that cold foam is worth it alone. Did you think I was only going to get one drink? This is the s'mores oat milk latte, which I believe is just a regular latte with s'mores syrup and oat milk. If this is good, the move is going to be this. Well, realistically, the iced coffee, not the latte, but this with the s'mores cold foam. Oh my god. We're gonna come back to that. I got the s'mores donut because obviously I'm not the biggest fan of like donuts being filled. I feel like the texture's a little much for me. Are these like pieces of Hershey's chocolate? No. Oh, that tastes a little bit like vomit. Okay, here's the donut. Chocolate frosted, has piece of chocolate and graham cracker on top. And I believe the inside is a marshmallow filling, which is probably one of the only fillings I would actually like. Okay, we didn't get to the filling on that. I have a small mouth, okay? I mean, that's definitely good. There's a strange hint of something I'm getting that is confusing me. The graham cracker pieces are very soft. There's a weird flavor in there. I don't quite know what that is, but I don't want any more of that. I feel like as a donut, it's good. Like if the office brought in donuts, that would definitely be like the best one. It's not really giving me s'mores. The filling's not really giving me marshmallow. It almost tastes like bubblegummy in a way. Back to this. This is rancid. This is vile. This is nasty and gross. I'm getting a little confused because as far as like the latte base is good. It's like creamy. It doesn't taste too like oaty as oat milk sometimes can. The texture is so nice, like for an oat milk. Like this is like the perfect color of a latte, but the taste, like the s'more syrup, they really missed the mark. I'm wondering if that's what's also in the cold brew. I don't know. Both of these drinks are gonna get pretty low score from me. I will get something with the cold foam again. I could get a matcha with the s'mores cold foam if they let me do that on this app right now. I'm gonna need y'all to cash at me, all 2.5 of you, because I'm gonna need to be feeding that addiction. The donut's like a 6 out of 10. It's good. I appreciate the effort. Overall, I still think it's all worth a try. You could like it much more than me. I just love s'mores and I need it to be like s'mores heavy. I did stop by the actual best donut place on earth, Shipley's, for my favorite classic cherry. Is this not the most satisfying thing you've ever seen? Hi! Oh my god. Yum. Although, that does taste like Fabuloso a little bit. I'm gonna go eat some real food. I've been on my healthy food lately. I'm gonna go make me like a sweet potato bowl and I'm gonna get up to my regular height because I'm small. Hi, thank you for watching.